Oh no, not tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Kaya. Oh, that's a turkey. Oh no, he's going to say hello.
Doggy!
There's a turkey. He's coming to say hello to everyone.
Right, he was right behind Ralph and he had no idea.
Oh, look at this water. Someone watch Ralph. Wow, look at this stone. Going to speak Ralph. Who is? Going to speak Ralph up.
He's quite nice. Careful, careful. This is the lagoon.
I mean, I'm not from
We will see where's the food. Pizza or sandwich, hot dog.
What's the conspiracy theory of this? Like, I can't remember. It's just, they go wrong. You dropped it, throw it in the bin. I don't want it.
Okay, hold it. Put your phone in the pocket.
I'm done.
The bin here. Go on, put it in the bin.
That's a cool bin.
Mm-hmm. Very cool bin. Mm-hmm.
I need a drink. I want Coke.
Jude got Fanta.
You know when you message you say you can go to that a la carte restaurant? In the ocean? How are we in the ocean?
Can you hold that?
Nothing, just...
Where are we going? Let's go have pizza quickly.
It's free!
I'm not even that hungry. I can't lie.
Anyone wants food? What do you want?
Mum, this is cold. It's cold. It's so cold. So can I buy a bracelet? What?
What, it's 12 o'clock? How do we only have half